Hi guys and welcome back. I'll show you guys how you can create these Bolbum couple images in Bing AI image generator. So Bolbum is a festive in India where the participants engage in, expressing their faith towards their god, which is Shiva. And it's more like a pilgrimage kind of celebration. So open the AI image generator, the Bing image generator, and then simply type the prompt, for example this. So a stylish couple both dressed in saffron t-shirts carrying decorated kanwars and tied on both ends of a lathi. Boy name is this and the girl name is this, written on the t-shirts. Couple holds the lathis, and then they feature other Kanwaria participants, and then click on create once you've typed your prompt. Wait until the images have been processed. Oh yeah, you got 4 of them. First, second, third, and fourth. So the names are clearly written. Rajesh, which is the boy, and Aishwarya, which is the name of the girl. Just like this. You can, open every images that have been generated, just like these. That's how you can actually generate images of this Bolbum couple using the Bing AI image generator. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. From me, it's good day. Ciao.